The local Ferrari dealership gave us a call. They had some concerns about their hot water supply. Luckily for them, within the hour, I was able to show up on site and take a look. Once I was on site, we immediately went and took a look at their water heater. As soon as we found it, immediately I could tell that the unit was leaking and had failed. The water heater was well past this time. I made a few recommendations to Ferrari for a couple replacement options. After some discussion, Ferrari decided to move forward.
So for this water heater, we're adding a 4-year extension kit to prolong the life of the water heater to 10 years.
I gave a follow-up call to Ferrari once everything was all said and done. They gave me some feedback saying that our response time was great, our communication was unmatched, and our prices were competitive. Top-notch companies like Ferrari trust top-notch plumbing companies like Reliant. For all your plumbing needs, call Reliant.